Let us see. This is day 2 of our Advent adventure, and I'm going to be featuring a recipe. So stick around to the end, and my little doggies are going to tell you in a review of this new dog recipe that you can also make. So we are making bake at home celebration cookies for your dogs. I don't know if you've seen these on the shelf, but it's an idea. If you do make these, all you'll need is 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup filtered water. That's it. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a cake mix. So I'm going to take it out of the box. Okay. Ooh, look at that. It's a nice little sealed pre-mixture. Okay, so I had to use scissors to open this. Add the bag to the bowl. This is going to be fun. I have these little cute dog bone shaped little trays. I'm going to see if I can bake these using those once this is made. Here's the oil, the egg, my show egg and my hockey puck, and 1/3 cup oil. Let's get mixing. There it is, all the ingredients. All right, this might be messy, this might take time. Maybe a strategy is just kind of pack and roll them. Now, if you've ever made little dog treats, I'd like to know. Put a little comment in the section below if you've done anything like this. I'll tell you a funny story about my last rolling pin. It had one handle on it, and when you roll it, it always go in a circle. Okay, so that was my last rolling pin. All right, gonna try something. My 2-handled rolling pin. I'm gonna see if I can roll these. Ooh, well, maybe that's not. Okay, well, unless I did this, you wouldn't know yourself, right? Ooh, oh, wait a second, it's relaxing now. Oh, okay, well, maybe I'll hold it and. That's my nice scented candle. That was Christmas present last year. Okay, well, you might have a different way of doing these. Whoops. I can always cut them when they come out. See, that worked. All right, on to the next tray. Okay, there we go. See? Done. Okay, so I'll get a little knife. We'll cut these in. Preheat the oven. 20 minutes. That's it. 20 minutes. Okay. I'll set the timer, pour myself an eggnog, and be right back. While we're waiting, today's December 2nd. You know what that means? Round 2 of our adventure time. Do you know where the second little calendar window is? Well, it took me a while too, but I found it. In case you're wondering where it is, it's right here. Here's number 2. All right, so we're going to open this today. It was always a little tradition when I was growing up in Canada to make a wish first. So, make a wish first. Okay. Oh, how fun. My other hand, I hurt my other hand, so I have to use this hand. Oh, look at that. Let's see what today's chocolate is. It's a cute little bear. Can you see that? It's a cute little bear. And I just gave little Tater a bear the other day. Look how cute that little bear is. Yes, I'm just going to have to tell you how it tastes. I love this little smile. One of my favorite stories when I was a kid was Winnie the Pooh. He's a good little bear too. Okay. And they foiled it so nice. They wrapped the candy in foil. Little chocolate. Oh, how cute little chocolate. Look how cute the little bear is. Happy December 2nd. I'll tell you how it tastes. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's nice. It has a different middle to it than yesterday's one. Nice and soft. Mmm. Mmm. It's a milk chocolate teddy, according to the indicator. Mmm. That is so nice. That's a beautiful chocolate. So if you're following with me and happen to have a calendar like this, I hope your wish comes true. What a beautiful chocolate. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's so good. These are almost ready. I guess they are ready. We'll take them out. And this is my new Christmas oven mitt. I hope you like it. We'll wait until these are completely cool before the doggies enjoy their treat. This is also new. I hope you like it as well. Look at that. Ooh, they poofed up a little too. Not too much. Yeah. How about I introduce to you my 3 choice contestants that are going to sample them. We'll start with Tika. Yeah. She's going to try one of the cookies. I have to give her a softer biscuit. She's lost a few teeth already. Little Tika. Say hi. Hi, Tika. She's 14 years old. Good girl. Okay, so that's Tika. Contestant number 1. Okay, contestant number 2 is little Tater Tot. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi, Tater. Yes, she chews everything. So hopefully these treats will be a good pacifier for her. Well, Poppy's not letting me pick her up. So I'm just going to have to give her her little biscuit on her mat and we'll see what happens. Hey, Poppy, would you like to try one? That's contestant number 3. Drum roll, please. We are going to do a Griswold moment just to prepare and get ready for both interior and exterior illumination. Are you ready? I guess when one light goes out, the other half goes out. We'll have to work on that. All right, there's time. So another thing you can add to that list besides snacks and cooking items, you need more light bulbs. So snacks, lights, and some more decorations. Nice. Okay, here's little Tater. Little biscuits have cooled down. At least I have one little contestant wanting to try it. Would you like to try? Where are you going? Come back. Come here, Tater. All right, these are cool. Would you like a taste? There. It's okay, you can have it. He's not sure of it. Did you like it? Oh, she's carrying it. Oh, I hope she's not taking it into the yard and bury it. Okay, Maybe this is a good moment to say a disclaimer about how your dog responds to these. I might not have made them exact or whatever have you, but dogs are different, and some doggies will perhaps enjoy these more than others. Let's see about Poppy. Poppy, come here, Poppy. Oh, maybe she's taking a nap. Okay, let's see how Tika likes these. I found one that's still soft. You like a little treat? You like that? He's trying. Oh, I have a feeling. Peter does. Okay. Tika's still working on it. I'd say it's a winner. 2 out of 3. Now to find Poppy. You can have it. Okay. Okay, maybe Poppy will have that later. Best of 3, not bad. Until next time, do take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Find out what is behind Advent calendar number 3. Au revoir!